This is a very special place in a sort of physical way. We're perched on the edge of the Blue Ridge Escarpment in Highlands, North Carolina, one of the premier biodiversity hotspots.
This biological station is actually open to the general public. So we have people that are coming here and interacting with the researchers on a regular basis. And that's a really unique aspect because it gives us an opportunity to teach them about what we're doing and why it's important.
The idea for this place was born in 1927. Local community resident Clark Foreman of Atlanta had this idea. This quickly developed into a facility here, including a beautiful little museum of natural history and a research lab. In 1976, the biological station became the modern Highlands Biological Station, part of the UNC system, working very, very closely with Western Carolina University. This place has grown into a campus of some 24 acres with a beautiful, about 12-acre native plant botanical garden, a diversity of demonstration gardens, really top-notch research labs, excellent teaching facilities.
Because we're part of Western Carolina University, we have undergraduate programs here where we host summer research assistants.
Not only are they able to do their own research, they actually get to interact with other researchers as well. They're exchanging ideas, they're broadening their horizons, and that's really crucial when it comes to an undergraduate or graduate student. So it benefits them in all sorts of different ways.
So this place is a mixture of science and visitors and graduate students and undergraduate students.
So what I'm writing on the bag is the species code.
Tenured professors and little people running around looking for salamanders.
Hey, anybody need a bigger friend?
And that's what makes it great. A research station like this can help educate the folks about the beauty around them, but also educate them about the threats that these organisms face.
Because they help us learn about these birds. So this one is called a black.
There's two rows if you look carefully. White dots on the side.
One way to think about what happens at a biological field station is we are trying to understand what makes this forest ecosystem and its organisms and habitats here, what makes it tick?
Just taking a sample of stream water, and you can do all sorts of chemistry tests on it, but that's just one sample in time. Fish have to live in the water 24/7. Based on the number of fish we catch, the species we catch, can tell you a lot about the water quality. Students from the Highlands Biological Station, volunteers with Mainspring Conservation Trust, catching fish as part of the Index Biotic Integrity Survey.
Everything that we do, we're really taking care of the animals themselves. We just want to learn more about them. And so we're setting up this long-term research study where we're looking at the animals and attaining some of the natural history information. Look at her hind limbs. Really big in comparison to the other species.
So pregnant, so you can see that she's got this sort of swelling in her abdomen a little bit.
It's been kind of cool tracking the migration process. I do see cycles of birds coming in and out as the year progresses.
So we're one of many stations across the U.S., hundreds of stations, all collecting the same data, not only beneficial to science from an academic standpoint, but also just human health.
Okay. Those look really good.
Field stations like Highlands, we can welcome our community, we can welcome the curious public eager to learn about the natural world. That's a deeply important aspect. There's original scientific insights that are being made here. What's vital about a place like this is really not just to teach and train the next generation of scientists, but hopefully to help enlighten, educate, thrill, and realize that everybody can do their part